Well, hello, train friends, especially Christian and Alan and Becca. This one's for you. This is going to be season 1, episode 3. I'm going to run, let me show you a little bit what I'm going to do for tonight's activity, okay? So I'm going to take this C44-9, the number is 6280. And I'm going to take the intermodal mix with the piggyback. That's the one that came from episode 1. I'm going to take that to global 1. This is global 2, which is empty now. And I'm going to take that train and I'm going to take it to global 1 and then empty global 1 and put this one there. So that's the goal for tonight. Let me show you one more thing. All right, this is the train board, the train order board, and I'm going to run this train right here. The mixed intermodal piggyback, it's going westbound. Today is season 1, episode 3. Start at Proviso, Chicago Northwestern track 1 and arrive at global 1. I'm the engineer, I'm the conductor, and I'm also the dispatcher. And this one, I'm going to run a C44-9. I'm going to change the engine. And here's global 1 right there. So it's going to come in there and going to park right there. And we're going to empty that one out and move it to Proviso Yard when we're done. All right, let's get ready. Okay, Christian and Alan and Becca, there's your train. The track's on, the engine's on, the light's on. So here we're going to move it out of the engine facility and we're going to move it down the yard. And then I'm going to go back down to the track and show you a closer view of this, okay? There it is. Okay, we've got a little problem here because look where the train is right now. It needs to go from this main line right here to this main line and then hook up with that train right there. So what we're going to do is do a runaround. I'll show you what that looks like right now. So here the train comes down the main line. It's going to get to the other side. Alright, so it's going to come, it paused here, I don't know why. Let's give it a little nudge. Oh, that's interesting. But what's going to happen is it's going to come down here, and then it's going to go into this track right here. I'm going to switch it into the yard. I'll switch it like this, and then I'll go into the yard. So that's what we're going to do. First crossover. So crossover and then go into the yard right there. And it's going to go around. It's going to go around that and then hook up on the other side. You'll see. Here it comes. Gotta switch this. Okay, here it comes. It's coming on the main line, not in the yard. I switched it to the main line. I ended up going into the yard, but that was a mistake because I want to go at the beginning of the train. See, there's the end of it. I have to go to the beginning of the train. All the way down to the very end. I'll see you down there in a little bit. Okay, now the train has come past the switch. I've thrown the switch here, so now it's going to divert and go this way. And then I gotta throw this switch here. And that's going to go connect right into that. I'll show you that from the tower. Okay, and from the control tower now, we're going to bring that train, that engine, into hook up that train right now. All right, let's go see if it hooked up, okay? Yep, all hooked up, ready to go. Let me see if I can bring it further out. So now this train is ready to depart the yard. You hook it up and then all the air brakes have to be connected. So if the train stops, the air brakes will stop each car, not just the engine. We're ready to go. Here it's starting to go. And we're going to take this around a few times. Leaving the yard. Coming around to Global 1, where our destination is. It's going to come into Global 1 now and go on the first track. This is the arrival track. Well, here we are. We arrived at Global 1. Our train is in the arrival track, but we got a little bit of a problem. I will show it to you in a little bit, okay? Hang on. All right, so I came back to this other side. So we're taking these cars out of Global 1, and we have to take them off on these tracks, but look at this train is blocking them. So we got to figure out where to put these cars. Let's see if we can do that tonight. So I uncoupled the cars here, and I'll take these cars here and put it on this track right here. On this track right here. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, now we're going to move the train back into the yard. Alright, so now that track is full, so I'm going to take that, I'm going to uncouple the cars there, and I'm going to move these two cars to the very end of the track right there. See that little track stub? I'm going to park them right there. Alright, those cars are going to go right to the back of that track right there. Alright, I kind of switched directions on you. So now I'm at the end of the yard here. And now this train can pull the other ones out. So we'll disconnect him. And that is the end of our episode 3 tonight. Thanks for watching and have fun running trains. This is a great, it's a great hobby, and I hope you enjoy it.